So I ordered this earphones from Headphone Zone, Meze Alba, and let's see how it is. The packaging is very safe, very good, well packed with all the absorption. I could see there's no damage at all. Uh, let's open the package outside pack from Headphone Zone and look what's really inside. Yeah, so we were able to open the outer pack, and here it is, the beautiful Meze Alba. Let's open. So it's well bubble wrapped. As you can see, it's there should be no issues, no damages at all, no scratches, nothing. So very good, well packed. We also got few cards, thank you card, and some other cards. Let's look at them as well. And also along with the earbuds, earphones, I got the USB-C to cable along with it. So we got these additional music recommendations from Headphone Zone. So they have given like some playlist, best tracks for different bars, jazz, EDM, vocal, which you can listen, download. I listen few of them which I haven't heard before, and I instantly like those songs. So maybe you can also give a try. Most of them I have heard, but few of them probably I missed out somehow. And there's a thank you card also from the Headphone Zone, thanking you for the purchase and for the support you have provided. And this is the invoice what they have given along with the Meze Alba. Now let's open the beautiful earphones, Meze Alba. First, let's open the cable, USB to C cable. It's actually a DAC. What Meze Alba says is it's an inbuilt DAC is also there along with the cable. But they have not given, if I'm not wrong, they have not given any specifications like or about the DAC, anything anywhere. But you can see it looks good. It's well packed. You can see the logo of the Meze company as well. I really fell in the love with the logo. Anyhow, coming to the cable, it looks good. It looks strong. Fire looks also good. The cable looks also good. It looks very stylish actually. Especially I like the silver color of the cable attached with the steel kind of cable. So now let's open the earphones, and here we see uh, the beautiful logo, and here I think it's a manual. Yeah, it's a manual and some instructions kind of about the product, what you see, a booklet, and this is about how to connect the wires into your IMs. So this is also very good, and how to fix your earbuds. So they have given clear instructions. When you order Meze Alba, you also get this pouch. It's a leather case pouch. It's very good in fact. It looks stylish, but just be careful, it'll attract a lot of dust, that's for sure. So when we open the pouch, you get the extra earbuds in it, and this is our wire cable. So this cable, when I first touched it looked, and this is my first IM, and this cable looked far better when you compare, when you buy the other normal earphones, right? When you compare that cable to this one, this looked much better in hand. But one thing, it angles a lot. Actually, I read in the reviews as well, and I discovered that while I was opening, and you can see how I'm struggling to, even make it proper, because it tangles a lot actually. And so we just need to be careful not to tangle much, and when you put it in the box, just be careful you're not putting it so unevenly such that it tangles a lot, right? So just let me open this cable now. So So once we open the cable, we can connect it with the ear earbuds what they have provided, and let's see how we can do that. So finally I was able to untangle it, and here these the beauties sitting here, the white beauties. Wow, just look at them, seriously. Wow, so beautiful. And just see the logo also on there, it looks so beautiful. I really like the logo, I really fell in love with the logo. It looked like Shiva's Trisula to me. I mean, it resembled a bit for me while I was buying it. Looks so stylish actually. These earphones, uh, really, these are very shiny, good, smooth, everything. This look strong, sturdy as well. Doesn't look like cheap plastic one or something. So it really good looks, and it lives up to the brand actually. And yeah, I hope you all know that Meze is a awesome brand. So yeah, that's it in the box, guys. We don't get anything. So now let's connect the wire to it, and here I have done that. Again, it tangled a bit while I was connecting, so again I'm little trying to detangle it. That's the only issue I found till now. Like it tangles a bit, but I think otherwise this looked very good. The in-hand experience, like when I feel it, it's so good. And this is the leather pouch what I was telling you before. It looks good. As I told, it attracts a lot of dust, and there's a separate jacket for the cable, for the USB to C cable as well. So you can store that and the earbuds both. You see the beautiful logo on this pouch as well. So it's time for me to listen the song.